Hello everyone, Nifty closed with an inside bar candle pattern yesterday. So inside bar is a very good pattern for getting our targets done. So if it crosses day before yesterday's high, then market the upside target is 25,545 and the downside target is 23,949 in case the mother candle low is broken. That is day before yesterday's low is broken. So that's what uh, classic technical analysis theory says. It doesn't mean that if it breaks, you're assured of an upward target, or if it breaks down, you are assured of a downward target. So it can go either way, and it can grow. So it's all left to us. So that's why I said it is used only for target purpose. So Nifty closed at 24,320 yesterday. So this is the third close. If you see, it's a third close around in the same area. Day before yesterday's close was 24,302. Yesterday's was 323, and today's was 320. Or rather, okay, you get the point. So 3 days in a row, Nifty has closed around the same area of 24,320. So हमें आज थोड़ा एंटिसिपेट करके ट्रेड कर सकते हैं क्योंकि यूजुअली आफ्टर such giving such tight close, market tends to shoot up or come down. Here, since the trend is up, I would like to prioritize the longs over shorts. So if I see the 24,320 is being held, or if I get a positive candlestick with the low at 24,320 or low cutting 24,320 and then closing above 24,320, I would like to go above long above that positive candlestick if it's a small candlestick. So this enables me to get the least risk for a potential reward of 220 points, right? So that's my thought process for today. My upward targets will be 24,365. So if you see, there is a nice band of resistance over here, 24,375 to 24,413 types. Similarly, there is a support band 24,270 to 24,220 types. So these areas might offer some resistances, but I expect them to be broken, one of them to be broken today. Let's see which side gets broken, and then we get our targets of 25,505, 25,545, and 24,125, and 23,949 on the downside. So my plan, I'm biased towards long, but if I see that the support levels are breaking and then I get a negative candlestick here, then I'm not averse to going short as well, because the market is quite overbought. But then our target of 23,800, as discussed in the weekly video. Haven't you seen the weekly video yet? Please do. It's a very important video. Since our upside target is open, I would like to still believe that we would be following the upward path. So let's see what happens after open. We'll patiently wait and trade. That's always my philosophy. I'm not jumping in. The market will always give us opportunities. So if an opportunity goes by, I'm not going to chase it and have FOMO. So I will wait the market to come into my hands before I initiate a trade. I hope these levels are useful for you. And I'm just sharing my strategy, not intended to be copied. The idea is for you to learn price action trading. Thank you very much and have a great, fantastic day. Bye-bye.